Welcome! This instructional video will demonstrate the proper use of InSite Salmonella, Hygiena's environmental salmonella test. In this video, we will cover product details and how to properly collect a sample, activate the test device, and interpret results. InSite Salmonella is a screening test for Salmonella species on food contact surfaces and other processing equipment after cleaning. The sample collection device's pre-moistened swab bed and large foam sampler ensures maximum sample collection for accurate results. Hygiena's patented snap valve is a pre-measured proprietary medium that provides consistent results with minimal handling. Colorimetric results are available through the result viewing window in 24 to 48 hours. Results are easy to interpret with the swab label color chart. InSite Salmonella should be stored at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. Check the expiration date on the bag and swab label before use. The materials you will need include a Hygiena InSite test device, an incubator capable of 37 degrees Celsius, and a timer of your choice. Now let's get started. InSite is a two-step test. The first step is collection and pre-enrichment. You may choose to write the test location or time of the test on the label for easy identification. Remove the swab from the tube. Swab a 12 by 12 inch or 30 by 30 centimeter square area in a crisscross pattern, swabbing the area with even coverage. Apply sufficient pressure in the swab shaft to maximize sample collection and improve the accuracy of test results. Be sure not to touch the swab shaft when collecting sample. Touching the swab shaft contaminates the test and may produce inaccurate results. Rotate the swab tip while swabbing to ensure maximum sample collection. Replace the swab in the tube. Do not activate the test. Incubate the unactivated device for 6 hours at 37 degrees Celsius. For alternative pre-enrichment times, refer to the complete instructions, downloadable at hygiena.com/instructions. The second step is activation and selective enrichment. Remove InSite Salmonella from the incubator. The easiest way to activate InSite is to hold the device in your fist and use a thumb and forefinger to break the snap valve by bending the bulb forward and backward. Next, squeeze the bulb 3 to 4 times to expel all liquid into the tube. Gently massage the bottom of the tube by squeezing the tube 3 times. Then gently shake for 3 seconds. This will help release cells from the swab and displace air bubbles. Incubate the test device at 37 degrees Celsius for 18 to 42 hours. Positive results can be read as early as 24 hours. Results cannot be considered negative until a total incubation time of 48 hours after sample collection. To view results, hold the device upright and compare the color of the medium in the viewing window to the color chart on the tube label. If the color of the media changes from purple to bright yellow within 24 to 48 hours, the sample is considered presumptive positive for salmonella. It is important to interpret color change of the medium only and disregard color influence from the foam swab. Only bright yellow medium should be interpreted as a positive result for salmonella presence. To properly dispose of the test, devices should be disinfected by autoclaving, incinerating, or by soaking in 20% bleach for 1 hour. The test device may then be discarded in the trash or at a biohazard waste disposal facility. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Hygiena with the information on the screen. With 24/7 customer service and technical support, Hygiena is here to help.